Hey everyone, I hope you all have been doing great. First and foremost, I want to thank each and every one of you for sticking around despite my long absence in this channel. So, when I went home last time, I had this sudden urge to try something new, something creative. Early the next morning, I went to nearby village where I heard some wood cutting was going on. The idea was to get some fresh wood blocks for my project. After collecting the beautiful pieces of wood, I came back home, gave them a good wash, and left them out to dry. The next morning, I went to a nearby carpenter to smoothen the wood surface. It was really an amazing experience learning some carpentry skills and working with my hands. I enjoyed every moment of it. And once I got home, it was time for the fun part, that is painting, which is the best part for me. So, after that, I spent hours just painting my heart out. It was so therapeutic and fulfilling for me. I'm really proud of how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching and for your patience. It feels great to share this journey with you all. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be back with more exciting content soon. Till then, stay creative and take care.